a lot of students, they're fortunate enough that their parents can pay for schooling. And I've been working since I was 16 years old, and it's just never been that easy for me. So the fact that somebody who's never met me, doesn't know me, and is willing to invest and give me money to try and reach my goals and my dreams is just mind-blowing to me. For me, CSU is my foundation, I feel like. I have learned so much here. I learned a lot of technical skills. I've met a lot of people. I have a lot of support from CSU, a lot of fun experiences, and I would say it laid the foundation for my career. I knew that if I was gonna go into design and say I was an interior designer, I wanted to be one of the best. The real world problem solving, designing and getting that experience that will help me gain future and get a job. It wasn't just to come have fun at CSU. I came here for this degree. I would go to work at 7 a.m., get off at 3, come to class from 4 to 5. I had a very set schedule and no flexibility. So when I got further in my design career, I needed to intern. Getting, especially this scholarship, it was the right time for me where I could quit my full-time job and take the risk of just working part-time there and taking on this internship and having that support. Because if I wouldn't have had a financial support, there's no way I would have been able to intern. It makes the world of a difference. I would not be graduating college with a degree and a job lined up if it was not for scholarships and the support I got from somebody who read a piece of paper about me. And the fact that you have the ability to believe in somebody without meeting them, and the willingness and the generosity to support financially somebody is huge. So thank you. Please keep doing it and helping other students because it makes a huge difference.